Okay, we beginning Unity training course. In the first lesson, we are going to Unity and download the Unity engine. First, you have go to unity.com and create an Unity ID. And here you can go choose your planes and pricing here. If you want to buy Unity, you can use those tabs, or if you want to use it free, but if you want more features, you have to go and buy it. But in a personal free, we can access a lot of features that you can make your game. So when you click on get started, first you have to download Unity Hub. This is Unity Hub. Install it before. If you first time open Unity Hub, message will be pop up that tells you please install Unity editor in a version. It's very simple. You just hit OK, or 3 gigabyte I think that you have to download, and after that everything is ready for you. And after that you're going to this page and you can begin from templates. We have lots of templates here. First, you have to download them. A cloud will be appear icon. The cloud icon appear here. You have to click on them and download. I downloaded it before and everything is ready to go. This is 2D core. You can start for making 2D games. This is 2D empty. Here you can change the project name. Please change the project name. Here the location, you can change the saving your project location here. You can click in here and locate it, that. You can you have to first you have to remember your planes and your way to making game. If you want to go into making 3D game, go to the 3D core. If you plan to make the 2D game, go into 2D. When you select a 2D core, it does not mean you cannot make in 3D. Just it's a simple 2D ready for you. All of the external lights, a sky dome, or anything that we don't need in a 2D game will be gone, and we are simply can do it. I will explain that more. And you can go into the 3D core if you want to 3D make 3D empty. I will explain them later. Here you can select a Lego game, and this is a template that everything is ready for you. You can change it. Here, if you want to make it to the platformer game, here you can start with that, study it, and we have a lot of prepare settings there, and you can begin with. Here's a racing game, FPS game if you want, 2D mobile, first person, AR, augmented reality or virtual reality. Unity is interesting. You can make those of the third person game, cinematic studio, or 3D sample scene. Or here you can search you can see the power of rendering in Unity. You can go here. Please update your graphic driver to better experience. Here, for example, like going to the Core 3D, you can click, you can name it and go create project. I already created them, so cancel. And here, if you open them for the first time, it takes a long time for downloading, then resolving, compiling, and extracting. So wait for Unity does its job, and then after you import it and name it, you can go in here, the project. All of the project list here. I already open them, and everything is ready here. And you can click on them and go in your game. For example, I want to go to 3D empty core, click on them, it's go up, and the next time it will be open very fast for you. Okay, this is Unity and you can navigate it. I will be explaining navigation and user interface in the next lesson. And here the assets, when you right click in empty, you can it's important by showing Explorer. This is your file. This is your file in your PC that is store all of these assets, sound, 3D objects, and anything goes here, and we are work a lot here. You can open another project, for example, third person, let's go up. You can open multi Unity software at the same time. Okay, yeah, third person, you can simply go in and play that. I suggested if you want to make a game, start from those templates because everything is ready to go. Or if you want to make a game from scratch, you can do it from 2D core, 2D empty, or 2D 3D core. Okay. Or you can make a 2D platformer. You can create a beautiful 2D project with Unity. When you first time launch it, it's very time to open, but wait for loading, and after that for second loading it's very easy. Yeah, you can make a 2D platformer game. It's interesting. Okay, that's it. You can do a lot of things in Unity. Okay, that's it. In the next lesson, we are going to navigation and in the user interface of that.
Hello, my friends. To continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.